In this quick and dirty tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to apply color erosion or fluvial advection effect on a world created terrain. So let's start with this simple terrain here. All you got to do is add a material like this, then go over to distribution, and let's, for example, select a melt distribution. And to apply that specific effect, you got to go to effects here, click the plus icon, and in World Creator we call it smear. So it's a smear effect. So if you apply that, you'll see what's going to happen here. Now, to make this a little bit more obviously, so you can see the that typical blending and there's typical different way of color mixing up, it's best to go to the material, select the gradient, and choose, for example, a I call it here 2, 3, 4. It's this one here. Use this. Now you can't see the blending of the colors using the gradient, so we need to tell World Creator on how to use that. That's pretty easy to do. Just drag and drop these ones here and put them here over along with the smear effect, and there you go already. So this is already included here, and if you can see that, if I'm changing the iterations, you can see how these are mixing up with the underlying terrain. And the cool thing about this is now that if we want to apply another one, because this makes a lot of sense here, so we could, for example, just copy that material, put it up here, select a different gradient for that. Now this one entirely overrides the underlying materials in total because it doesn't have a distribution right here. So what we need to do, just to make it clear that we want to apply that material exactly at the same locations where the color erosion really affects the terrain, then just drag and drop, hit left control, hold it down, and move it into the distribution folder here directly for into this one here. So we just got to copy it here. And now you can see that it mixes up with the underlying terrain. So this is without it, and that's with the terrain here. Yeah, and that way we can now manipulate these specific values, like the smear effect here. We could, for instance, we could use a different randomness here. You can see that how it really changes everything. It's really nice. You could have a different operation of how it adds up or how the smear effect really is applied on the terrain. So you could do a sort by highest or sort by slope or sort randomly or whatever. And depending on these values that you change here, you get also different effects on top of it as well. Now that's a very cool thing about using this kind of effect here in World Creator. And there are some specific nice things here for materials. If you go to the gradient material, you could, for example, invert the gradients as well. Or you could add some detail on top of it, and you can see that it's going to change slightly here on the terrain. You get a bit more further information. If you increase the resolution, you will see that. You could do the same here for this material. Also use a gradient. Here you can see that if you enable gradient detail, then it adds up things. So also the preview here changes a lot. See that? Yeah, and if you now take a look at it, how it looks like in a much higher resolution, because this is a 1K resolution, let's go up to 1/4. Now this is a 4K map here, and you can see how quickly World Creator generates this map entirely. It looks amazing how the colors are mixing up. And again, you could just copy paste this material again, apply it for a different kind of gradient distribution. It doesn't have to be melt. It could be anything like flow or height range or whatever you can think of. Yeah, try around with it, play a little bit with it, and you will see the differences. But it looks great. And now, just to show you that you can even blur it a little bit if it's too fine detail for the terrain itself, because games typically don't like this kind of terrains. Then add the smooth folder here on top of it, and there you go. Now it mixes in extremely nice on a very nice smoothly terrain here. Amazing. That looks great. Okay, hope you like this one. Looking forward to your creations. Yeah, stay safe and have a great day. Bye bye.